Welcome to the AutoCAD 2017 3D Modeling Techniques course, from Render. In this course we will learn how to create three-dimensional projects, presenting and applying professional techniques for 3D modeling in the 2017 version of AutoCAD. In this first class we will learn about the work environment and briefly present the organization of the course. Come on, let's go. Throughout the course we will use the 3D modeling desktop, which groups the commands into tabs and panels. To gain space on the desktop, we can minimize the ribbon. Just click this arrow and select one of the views for the panels and tabs. Note: you can also hide the command line by pressing the Ctrl 9 keys. We suggest that when hiding the command line, dynamic data entry is enabled by clicking on the icon in the status bar, or by pressing F12. Let's now look at how the course is organized to facilitate learning. This course is organized in modules, which will present professional techniques for modeling and finalizing three-dimensional projects. In the first module, we will explore the interface of AutoCAD 2017 and model solids from solid primitives or two-dimensional geometries. In the second module we will look at how to model surfaces. We will know their advantages and functionality. In the third module, we will model through mesh primitives, editing faces, edges and vertices, making use of organic modeling. In the fourth module, we will create orthographic views with scale configuration, detail views and viewing styles. We will also set up the plot of a three-dimensional project. Finally, in the fifth and last module we propose exercises for the student to do and improve himself even more in the techniques of 3D modeling in AutoCAD. We wish you an excellent course. Render, who knows, teaches.